Hello everyone, my name is Julie and welcome to Fun Words Review. And today we are looking at one kind of animal, which are the amphibians. This is a new series where we learn 3 words associated with this animal. And let's continue. So in the animal group, there is 2 types of animals. That one is called the vertebrates and the other one invertebrates. The vertebrates family means that the animal has a backbone, and of course the invertebrates do not. In this series, we start with animals with vertebrates, and we will eventually have other videos for the other class of animals as well as the invertebrates. So let's see those 5 groups. Do you know them? Maybe these pictures will help. So we have the mammals, reptiles, fish, birds, and amphibians. So the 5 groups are mammals, reptiles, fish, birds, and amphibians. And today the 3 words are related to amphibians. So these are photos of amphibians. The most common one being the frog. There's also salamander, newts that are in this family. And frogs lives in different regions, and it's the most common one that you may have already seen. Okay, let's continue. Well, amphibians' diet change over time. Yes, when they're eggs and when they grow to tadpole, they live in the water. At that time, they're herbivores. But when they get to the adult and they grow legs and lungs, they travel on land afterwards, they become carnivore. So they change from herbivore to carnivore. And they can reach out or capture their prey because of a long tongue. And it's actually sticky as well, so they can grab insects as they fly. So the 3 words today we're learning is tongue, insect, and sticky. Tongue, insect, and sticky. So let's read those words. Can you read this one? Tongue. Tongue. Let's spell it. T O N G U E. Tongue. Next one. Can you read this word? Insect. Yes, insect. I N S E C T. Insect. Insect are animals. They are in the invertebrates family. And the 3rd word, sticky. Sticky. Let's spell it together. S T I C K Y. Sticky. Look at those words. It's more complex than usual. Take some time to reread them. Tongue, insect, sticky. Grab a piece of paper and a pen or pencil, and let's practice. First word, tongue. Take your time. Are you ready? Let's try. tongue. You ready? Okay, let's see. Tongue. T-O-N-G-U-E. That's not easy. Let's go with the second one. Insect. Insect. Are you ready? Sorry. Okay, let's see how you done it. I-N-S-E-C-T. Do you have it correct? Awesome. And the last one is sticky. Sticky. Okay. Let's see. Sticky. S-T-I-C-K-Y. Sticky. If you have succeeded in those 3 words, excellent. I'll let you look again at those words. Hope you have it correct. If not, just do this video again until you have it. You can do it. So this is the end of this video. I hope you enjoy it. See you soon for a new video. Bye now.